Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. Okay, first we have to work this. 7 minus 5 equals 2 and 7 minus 5 equals 2 and there is multiplication here. 2 multiplied by 2 it equals 4. But this is not correct answer because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses. After that, if there is any exponent, we have to work it exponents then and then multiplication and division and finally addition or subtraction. Here multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And the same rule applies for addition and subtraction. According to this rule, first we have to work inside the parentheses. 7 minus 5 it equals 2 and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 7 minus 5 multiplied by 2 and according to this rule, first we have to work multiplication. 5 multiplied by 2 it equals 10 and 7 minus 10 equals negative 3. This is our final and correct answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer is negative 3. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.